You think you've seen the Great Migration? Think again. For the first time ever, we're taking you thousands of feet above one of Earth's most breathtaking spectacles. Prepared to witness the sheer scale, the intricate patterns, and the raw, untamed power of millions of wildebeest and zebra, unfolding beneath your very eyes in a perspective previously unimaginable. From this height, the endless plains of the Serengeti and Masai Mara transform into a living, breathing canvas. The long, winding columns of wildebeest are not just lines of animals, they are the arteries of this ecosystem, pumping life across the savanna. See how they move. It's not chaos. It's an ancient, instinctual dance, a rhythm passed down through generations. Each turn, each pause, is part of a grand strategy for survival that you can only truly appreciate from the sky. Down below, the herds face the constant threat of predators. From our vantage point, we can see the silent tension building. Lions lie in wait, their golden coats blending perfectly with the dry grass. We'll watch as they strategize, patiently waiting for the perfect moment to strike. Crocodiles, ancient and still, lurk beneath the surface of the Mara River, turning this vital crossing into a dramatic gauntlet. It's a life-or-death struggle, and our drones capture every heart-stopping moment with a clarity that puts you right in the middle of the action, yet with a perspective that reveals the larger story. What if you could witness this grand drama from a vantage point no human has ever truly experienced? Imagine seeing the relentless journey of millions of animals, not from a jeep, but from the silent, soaring perspective of a drone. The sheer numbers are staggering. Over 1.5 million wildebeest, joined by hundreds of thousands of zebras and gazelles, create a moving mass of life so vast it seems to stretch to the horizon. This isn't just migration. It's a force of nature, powerful enough to shape the very landscape it travels through. We'll follow them through treacherous river crossings, where panic and instinct collide in a churning, dramatic spectacle. We'll soar over vast, open grasslands where new life begins, as thousands of calves are born within just a few weeks. Our cameras reveal the intricate social bonds, the moments of tender care, and the harsh realities of this epic journey. This isn't just another wildlife documentary. We have captured the Great Migration in a way that's genuinely never been seen before. You won't just watch it, you'll feel like you're flying alongside them. Thank you for joining us on this incredible aerial adventure. If you are as amazed as we are by the beauty and power of the natural world, please hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and ring the bell so you don't miss our next exploration. We have so much more to show you. Until next time, keep looking up.